Hello friends. So now we are talking about how we can expand our business, increase our share in the market, increase our profit. So there are the five ways how we can increase our profit, expand our business in a few years and months. The first way is to getting the knowledge of our product in demand in market, the product investment and how we can get the profit by investing the less money. We need to see the about the cash flow, our business, our finance, income, profit, operation, our planning structure. Then our profitability will go from minimum to the maximum. Second, the second way is to advertisement of the product investment is if we don't have the money to do advertisement of our product, then we should fix some money in the cost of the product. The second way is to do the advertisement of the product. If we don't have the money to do advertisement of our product, then we should fix some money in the cost of the product. How we can fix? By if, if the product is of the 20 rupees, then we can increase the product the cost from the 20 rupees to 22 rupees, as keeping the 2 rupees for the advertisement of that product, the advertising and the promo. Okay, now we are coming to our the third way. The third way is to we shall ship or transfer our business where the competition is low and the population and the per capita income high, or where there our product has not been reached yet. The fourth way is to invest the money that much only we can afford by ourselves, and some by taking the loans. The fifth way is to know the customer response, people feedback on the product. If it is good, then we can produce good in the large scale, and knowing the demand of the product in the market. As the first of all, we have to produce only some amount of goods, and we have to produce the goods in the small scale, because if our has not a nice response from the customer, so we if our product would not be sold to the market, if it is not get the profit, so we should not face, so we will not face the much loss in our product. We should will be not fall in the debt trap by not repaying the loan in the time. So first of all, only we have to produce the good in the small scale, and after that, if the product has the good response, good feedback from the customer and in the market, and is demand is increasing is increasing from in the market, so we can afford to so we can produce the goods in the large scale. So if you like my channel, like my ideas for the investing the money, so please kindly subscribe my channel and have one like button, have one like. Okay, thank you for this. And